how to enable or disable Bitmoji and Mojitok sticker on the Samsung Galaxy A15 or A16. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and tap on general management. Now, in here, scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then we scroll down and tap on select third-party content to use. In here, tap on Bitmoji or Mojitok. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. Tap on the left hand side information to view more information. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.